I was sent this food vacuum sealer for my review, and I'm going to be trying it for the very first time and see how well it works. So this one in particular comes with 20 different bags. So you get 10 of the small ones, you get 5 of the medium, and 5 of the large. And from what I can see, it seems pretty simple. So these right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab a small one. So what you'd be doing is you'd be putting your food inside here. This is really great for like meal prep, or if you have any leftovers, or like maybe you buy like a big portion of meat and you want to cut it up and put it in the freezer, and you want to keep everything nice and separate. So I've just grabbed something here, I just wanted to be able to like put something in here so that you can really see it get vacuumed around here. So I just grabbed these like little wipes right here. So the key to this is making sure that these are closed properly. So you have like, it's like a Ziploc, but it's like extra intense. And they do provide these like little sealers. So you kind of just put this on the top and you can run it over here and it helps you close it. For whatever reason, I can't use them properly. I find it doesn't work as well. I just kind of take my time and make sure that it is closed, but having that option is really great. This of course is rechargeable, and it does come with the cable. And so from what I can see, again, never tried this before. These are the particular bags, of course, because you need this specifically. I believe this just goes right over top like so. And I think we just turn on the button. I have no idea, but yep, definitely seems to be working. Look at that. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, okay? Because these wipes were wet, it actually started to suck out that water. That was so cool. Look, see, check that out. Because these are a flushable wipe, so they are, yeah, it's wet. That is so cool. I've never seen that before. Normally when you have these like vacuum sealers for food, you've got like that big machine, you've got to like cut off the piece, seal both sides. The fact that these are just like Ziploc bags, put this on here and you are good to go. And you can definitely see how well that is vacuum sealed. It is nice and tight and small. This is really awesome, and it's going to save you from throwing out any wasted food.